Hey, what up, y'all? I don't know if y'all know, but next month is Autism Awareness Month, right? Now, one of my followers just reached out to me explaining that his youngest child was diagnosed with autism at an early age. So he created this brand to spread awareness about autism and donate the proceeds to Autism Research Foundations. He asked me, could I use my following and shed some light on it? And I said, yo, sure, I'll do it, man, because I have people that are near and dear to me who suffer from autism, and I didn't even know what it was about until I asked questions and had to deal with them and talk to them and find out why they weren't the same as everybody else. And it's interesting, man. The spectrum is really broad. You got some people who are high functioning, some people who don't function well at all. I'm not sure where his son is on the spectrum, but I have people, again, that are close to me, and they vary. So I told him I would spread the word. If you could find it in your heart to buy some of the clothing, this will go to Autism Research. I appreciate it. If not, maybe just share this post. Whatever you could do is appreciated. Thank you.